Okay, this is ASD tugboat, 6 years old. Engine horsepower 6,672 BHP. Still 6 years old, still brand new condition. It's good maintained. This tugboat we use mostly for SPM operations. So now we are in anchor condition, so we don't have operation these days. So now we are in now our only generator is only running. So this tugboat is built by Tamim shipyard. Okay, yep, you can see the 28 and 13. So length and width we can see. So this is a winch for using for SPM operations. So I'm sorry I cannot show you the IMO number, so it's a company policy. So okay, this is my tugboat. So before I put the engine room videos of this tugboat, so we have a container box. So this one for pilots, after coming pilots they have to stay, but mostly pilots don't use this container. So after they come on board, they stay in the bridge. So yep, this is our tugboat. Okay, thank you for watching.